Yeah, I worked all the way through my treatment.
Mum was able to work through most of her treatment. I mean, I did give you some time off.
Thank you, you did.
But she was able to work from home where she felt comfortable. So we're really lucky that we have this business. My name's Maddie, and I am the director of Less Mess Maddie, and I have my beautiful mum here who is our CFO. We are a small cleaning company that started in the city of Knox and now services all of Victoria. The main inspiration behind Less Mess Maddie was really moving away from working a 9 to 5 in the corporate world and being able to run a business remotely from anywhere in the world, which I have done. I've run it from Fiji, from Europe, from interstate.
I mean, I went overseas in May. So the same thing, like I turned 50, I finished treatment for breast cancer. I'm like, I'm going away with my girlfriends for a week. I could do what I needed to do from somewhere else as well. We're quite well set up at home. Yeah. We do have an office at Maddie's house, at my house, and multiple screens, and we have a number of staff that are trained in what needs to happen when, and we just keep it going from wherever we are. Yeah. And we can do that. Doesn't matter what time of the day or night it is, we can keep it running. Our website keeps running all the time. Our inquiries come through all day and all night. Yeah. We have a lot of insomniac customers that book in overnight.
We just need internet connectivity, fast network.
Yep. We're off and away.
Yeah.
We really look after our staff because we are nothing without them. So we look after their well-being and their whatever's happening in their life, and really care for them. And it's an all day and all night thing. Normally we are up around 5:30, 6 o'clock talking about what we need to do. Yeah. Usually about 11:30, midnight, we are telling each other it's enough and go to bed now.
Yeah, so we have something else where we've been working on. I'm going to move into business mentoring, which has been a bit of a passion for mine, and I've just started a 12-month course with my own mentor. So I'm going to look at moving into that and running that remotely from Europe as well. We wouldn't be able to run our business without great internet and the connectivity and just
everything is hinging on that. When we
everything's online.
Yeah,
we did waste a lot of time at the start of the business in printing out flyers and business cards and walking around flyers, and I think that's just not the way the world is working anymore. Everything is online. You have to have an online presence.
We would be back to the days where we walked for 8 hours letterbox dropping and got one client out of that just wanted one thing one time. So we would be back to that, whereas now, because of the NBN, our business runs all day and all night, and people come to us.
We get most of our inquiries on a Sunday night because people are thinking about Monday.
And we really try very hard to cater and look after all of our clients, be quite personal in what we do, really care about people, advocate for people.
I think creating a personal experience is really important too.